Mr. 300 in the building. It's a windy day. The 300 looking nice. Added that new addition on there. 300 sticker. Yeah. Man, I gotta get rid of this chrome, but I need to find some time to do it. But today we are going to be replacing the stock bulbs for the reverse lights. Reverse lights gotta get changed out. Gotta get rid of that right there. And then this one right there should be a very simple, easy replacement. Bought these lights on eBay, I believe, for like 10 bucks. These are Cree LED 6000K lights, so it'll be a nice white color. So we gotta open that trunk, look on the side. We gotta remove this little clip to pull the panel out so we can expose the housing for the rear lights. Alright, we got that exposed. So we take out that little screw there, and there's one back here, that one in the back. You just twist that to the left and you'll be able to pop out the rear housing for the light. You can keep this middle one in there, don't worry about that. Alright, we pulled it out, as you can see. So I'm going to remove that clip, push the red little clip up on this gray piece, twist and pull, and I could exchange out the bulbs. Alright, put the new put the new LED bulb in here. Make sure you don't touch the lenses and all that. You don't want any oil on there. So you got to test it to see if it works, because if you put it in backwards and you have to reverse it, get that polarity fixed, right? So that's what I'm about to do right now. Alright, I tested it. Looks like I put it in right. All you gotta do is put the car on the on switch, but don't turn the car on and then put the e-brake on. Put the car in reverse and you can test it out that way. I like how bright it is, looks very good. It's kind of hard to see it in the daytime though. So now we just put everything back the way it was, reverse the steps, and we'll be good to go. I'll show you the finished product later. Alright, job is done. Nice 6000K color LED bulbs. I need to do another shot of this at night so you guys can really see it. New day, new night, should I say. Okay, reverse LED lights at night. Wish you can see how white they were. Kind of hard to tell with this camera angle. They're really bright. But in any case, just want to show y'all real quick. Cheap mod, get it done. It's easy. Mr. 300C's out. Peace.